How much should you actually spend on a fragrance? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Nautica Voyage. Let's kick things off with Nautica Voyage. This fragrance caught my eye right away. Just the name makes you think of adventure. And at around $20 for a 3.3 ounce bottle, it's definitely budget friendly. If you want a fresh, romantic scent that's perfect for everyday wear, this is worth a serious look. So here's why Nautica Voyage stands out. The invigorating top notes of fresh-cut apples give you that sweet, refreshing burst right off the bat. Combine that with the calming water lotus, and you've got a fragrance that embodies the spirit of the sea. The woody base of cedarwood adds an earthy vibe that makes it feel masculine and sophisticated. This scent is perfect for exploring, working, or just hanging out with friends. Now, some people complained about the longevity, saying it doesn't last all day. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a refreshing scent to spritz on during the day, it's not a deal breaker. Just bring it along for a quick refresh if needed. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an everyday fragrance that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you want something ultra long-lasting for a night out, but for the price, it's definitely a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your daily wear needs.
Product number 2, Yeezy Sea Charm Unfolds Marine. This one comes packaged in a sleek navy blue bottle, and at just $18.95 for 1.7 ounces, it's a steal. If you're after a captivating scent for casual outings or even date nights, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this fragrance apart is its unique marine notes. It gives you that fresh ocean vibe, combined with oriental woody undertones that really elevate it. It's crafted with high-quality ingredients, ensuring that the scent stays with you throughout the day without fading quickly. That longevity is a bonus for anyone who wants to smell great from morning to night. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit overwhelming if you overspray. Now, I get that, fragrances can be quite powerful, but honestly, just a couple of sprays are enough, and you're good to go. It's all about moderation. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a fresh, ocean-inspired fragrance that's versatile enough for any occasion. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional, heavy scents, but for the price, it's a fantastic option. Now, if Nautica Voyage's freshness didn't quite hit the mark for you, this next fragrance might be right up your alley.
Product number 3, Lattafa Perfumes Assad. The third fragrance on our list is Lattafa Perfumes Assad. This unisex eau de perfume, priced around $25 for a 3.4 ounce bottle, has an intriguing vanilla and spicy profile that's hard to ignore. If you're looking for something unique and long-lasting, you should definitely check this one out. Assad opens with bold top notes of black pepper and pineapple, which blend surprisingly well together. The heart notes introduce a rich coffee and patchouli mix, adding depth and sophistication. Finally, the base notes of amber and dry woods give it a warm finish that lingers beautifully on the skin. This fragrance is perfect for making a statement without being overpowering. However, some people found the spicy notes a bit too intense at first. Here's the thing. If you enjoy warm, complex scents, this is actually what makes it special. Just give it a moment to settle on your skin. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fragrance that stands out and lasts all day. Skip this one if you prefer lighter, fresher scents, but it's a solid choice for those wanting something unique. Alright, that was an interesting pick. The next fragrance is slightly different, but equally captivating.
Product number 4, Nautica Voyage, 6.7 ounce. We have a larger version of Nautica Voyage, this time in a 6.7 ounce bottle. Priced similarly, it's great value for those who love this scent. If you want a fragrance that's fresh and easy to wear, this is definitely worth considering. This version retains all the amazing qualities of the original Nautica Voyage. You still get that refreshing sweetness from the apples and the calming notes of water lotus, but now you have a larger supply to last you longer. It's perfect for daily wear, whether you're heading to work or out with friends. The long-lasting formula ensures you won't be reapplying every few hours. Some users have mentioned that the scent can feel a bit too familiar or mainstream. Here's the thing though, there's a reason it's popular. It's a crowd pleaser that works well in multiple settings. This is perfect for you if you're a fan of fresh, aquatic scents and want a larger bottle that offers great value. Skip this one if you're looking for something more niche and unique, but for the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you like the freshness but are seeking a completely different vibe, hang tight for the next fragrance.
Product number 5, Lattafa Camra. Let's talk about Lattafa Camra. This unisex eau de parfum is priced around $30 for a 3.4-ounce bottle. If you're on the hunt for something warm and spicy for evening wear, this fragrance deserves your attention. Camra starts off with a delightful mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, and bergamot that brings warmth to the scent right away. The heart notes introduce dates and praline, adding a sweet richness that feels luxurious. Finally, the base notes of vanilla and myrrh give it a deep, inviting finish that's perfect for special occasions or cozy nights in. Its long-lasting formulation means you won't have to worry about fading away. However, some people found it too heavy for daytime wear. Here's the thing. This fragrance is meant for evening or special occasions. If you're looking to make a memorable impression at a dinner or event, this is just right. This is perfect for you if you love warm, spicy scents and are looking for something to wear in the evening. Skip this one if you prefer fresh, light fragrances, but it's definitely worth the investment for the quality. To wrap things up, we've covered some incredible budget-friendly fragrances.
So there you have it. We've explored Nautica Voyage, Yoist Charm Unfolds Marine, Lattafa Assad, the larger Nautica Voyage, and Lattafa Camra. Each of these fragrances has something unique to offer without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for something fresh, spicy, or warm, there's a great option here for everyone. Happy scent hunting!